start again. It's a rhinestone.
Welcome back to another video. So I've just got a few bits today from Amazon, AliExpress, most of it. I don't think I'll have time to do Amazon as usual. So yeah, just a few bits I'm going to show you. I'll leave all links below like I normally do. So let's start with boring stuff. So I got a pack of sponges. I'm not going to empty them all out. I think it's a pack of, I don't know, a pack of, could be 30 or 50, I'm not sure. And they're just sponges for ombres, because I recently used one of these to do an ombre, and oh my god, like, I've been missing out all this time. It's so much easier. Yeah, so I'm going to start doing my ombres with some of them, I think. And they're so soft and squidgy. I like them. And you could use one side for one set of nails and then the other side for another set of nails. Because them little ombre sponges, they're alright if you're just doing a tip of an ombre. What's that? But if you want to do a full long nail, yeah, these are fantastic. So I got a bag of them. What else do we got? Oh, I got some blingage. Oh, and some stickers in there. I forgot about them. So I got these stickers. These are cool, aren't they? Ah, look at bum cheeks. Heartbroken. That's me at the minute. That's me. I like this blue snake around the knife. Yeah, they're quite quirky, aren't they? Not your toy. Love it. Not your babe. Oh my god, how random is that? Look, Bart Simpson pulling a Mooney. How random is that? I love these butterflies. I'd love a full sheet of stickers with just them. They're beautiful. But yeah, they're random. I like them. I got these. I didn't realise what a tiny packet it was. There's only 20 in there. I didn't realise. Again, I don't read descriptions. I mean, they're very pretty and unusual. But I certainly wouldn't have paid what I paid for them if I knew it was a pack of 20. They've got a right funny colour shift. These are completely transparent, so I think, depending on what colour nail you put them on, you're going to get different colour shifts, but they look kind of yellow, browny, blue. Yeah, so I got them. And then I got a pack of these. These are, you know, these mocha gems that I love to use. This is them, but all different shapes. So we've got stars. Should I tip them out? Right, I've just tipped a few out. Oh, guys, these are beautiful. Look at these teeny tiny little skulls. I've got some of these in AB, but mine are huge. These are tiny. And there's moons, there's stars, there's these little tiny hearts. Again, I've got these in AB, but mine are huge. These are tiny ones. Aren't they pretty? The stars, look at the facets on them. They're like tiny little squares. I love these. And the colours are beautiful, aren't they? All different shapes. We've got little kind of horse eye or cat eye, whatever you call them. We've got little drippy drip ones, triangles, squares, all different colours. Aren't they pretty? I really like them. There's a lot in there as well. There's a lot in there. So we got them. Look at the size difference. And I don't think they were much different in price. Gosh. Oh, I got some stickers. Some of these are off Shein. These were off Shein. And they're butterflies, but they're like metallic colour shifting. They've got kind of squares in them. Can you see? These are small, aren't they? Sorry about my lighting. These are really small. I like them. And then these are similar. Oh wow, you can see the colours and shapes in these ones. Look at them. Aren't they cool? Yeah, they've all got like squares and shapes. These are so cool. Holographic. I love them. I love them. They're really smart. So we've got some more stickers. Right, these ones were off AliExpress, so I got these ones. These are all rainbow. These are YSL ones, rainbow. And these ones, these are cool. They're all very similar, but slightly different. They've all got snakes on. I like this little hand with the love heart and flames. Yeah, I like them ones. And then these ones, again, this is just snakes. Oh, it's not snakes, it's got wasps on there. Moons and 4-pronged stars. Yeah, I like that one. And then this one, I like that, love, butterflies. This is a cool one as well. This one's all snakes, I think, and roses. I love this rainbow effect. Smart, aren't they? And then this one, I like this one because it's got, you know, to put across 2 nails. Again, that one's cut, so you could put them across, you know what I mean, 2 nails. I like it's got these teeny weeny ones as well. And then this one, look at the size of these ones, tiny. Roses, we've got the evil eye, all seeing eye. Cool, I like this. And then this one, this is a pack of 8. There's 8. These are just plain snakes, I like them. And this one's the same as that, but these are like textured, aren't they? Oh, look at this one. This one's cut across 3 nails, look. 1, 2, 3. So you could spread that across 3 nails. Oh, they're not the same, are they? I thought they were the same. Cool. So yeah, that was a pack of 8. These snake ones, anyway. They were off AliExpress. What else we got? I got some foils. Don't know why I got these. I got these. Obviously I got them because I like them. But they're all the same. They look different, but they're not. When you actually pull them out, they're all the same. They're rainbow. I really like them. They're yeah, rainbow foils. Are they the same? I think they are. Yeah, they're exactly the same. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of the same. But I couldn't find them anywhere with just this one. So I had to get them, didn't I? I'll put some of these in a giveaway. I'll give some to friends. I only need 1 roll. Gosh, I'll never even get through 1 roll. So yeah, I got them. I really like them. Oh, I got another pack of glitters. I haven't got a collection. I've got lots of metallic hex mixes, but I haven't got an actual collection. And these are like, yeah, hex mix, but they're really unusual kind of, but they're not your standard kind of hex mixes. They're really, really unique. We've got this green one. That's going to be nice for Halloween. This one's like a pink, but it's got a blue kind of shift going on that one. It's really pretty. And it's not got the huge hexes either. Can you see? They're slightly transparent. They're all like this. And then there's this bluey one and a bluey purple. They're metallic but slightly transparent. They look the same on camera, but they're not. That's blue, that's purple. And then we've got like a gold and a darker gold. That's like a yellow gold. Yeah, they are slightly transparent, but they're that shiny you can't tell. This one's like a pale blue. And then we've got a more orangey one and another bluey greeny one. That's going to be nice for autumn. And then the last 2 are these. This one's like a orangey reddy pink. They've got slight colour shifts, haven't they? And then that one, I thought they were really cool. I like them. Really, really unique colours. I like them. Right, I'll quickly show you a couple of bits I got off Amazon. So I got some soft gel tips. I have got tips this shape, but not soft gel. Mine are plastic. And these are, I really like these for my own nails. Let me try and show you on what fits. These are medium coffin. They're so cute. They're pre-etched and they're so thin. They're just a really, really nice, not natural, they're a bit longer than natural. But they're just a nice length. Because sometimes I get fed up of these long ones. Especially if I'm going away or something. I like them to just be a nice length. I think they're a really nice length. And I like the shape. You all know I love my coffin nails. And that's a pack. Let's have a look at the thumb, actually. Let's have a look at the thumb. You always ask me about the thumb. Oh, actually, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Look, I've got really crusty fingers today. But that's not a bad size at all. It fits. Love it. So their size is 0 to 10. They were off Amazon. It came with a buffer and a file. And lastly, off Amazon, I'm going to have to save everything else again. I got my usual, so this is a pack of 4. I'll just show you one. I get a pack of 4 for $10.99, guys. It's really not a lot. Especially off Amazon, next day delivery. So yeah, I just got another pack of 4 of my little gem pots. Oh gosh. Because yeah, I've filled all mine up now. Why are some facing that way and some facing that way? I'm going to have to sort that straight out. There we go. So yeah, I've got another pack of 4 of them. And it comes with 2 sheets of stickers. The last ones came with stickers as well. So you get all these stickers. Cool. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'll leave all links below. I love this. Once I've done my video, I can get everything away. Yeah, I'll leave all links below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.